Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset and remove everything in Windows 10. Resetting your PC can be a helpful solution when you want to start fresh or resolve persistent issues. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Settings app by pressing the Start button and selecting the Settings gear icon. Step 2. From the list of categories, choose Update and Security. Step 3. In the left pane, navigate to Recovery. Step 4. Start the reset process by clicking or tapping on the Get Started button under the Reset This PC heading at the top. Step 5. Choose the option to remove everything. This will erase all your files, apps, and settings from the PC. Step 6. Wait for the next part to load, which should take less than 30 seconds. Step 7. If you've decided to remove everything, you can select whether to perform a secure erase of your files. This option will only appear if you selected Remove Everything in the previous step. Step 8. If you receive a warning that you recently upgraded to Windows 10 and won't be able to roll back to the previous operating system, click or tap Next to proceed. Step 9. Wait for the next part to load, which typically takes less than a minute. Step 10. Read the overview and press Reset when you're ready to proceed. Windows will prepare to reset your device and you'll be taken to a blue screen. Step 11. When the Choose an Option screen appears, select Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully reset and removed everything from your Windows 10 PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of a fresh start with your Windows 10 device.